Dear parents, I believe children's performance in exams is directly proportional to the efforts of their parents. Just because we cannot guarantee the future of our children to be like Microsoft, or Dell, or Google founders, were once school dropouts, and are now feeding millionaires. So, I want to share with you that which I found good. The objective of this exercise is to generate random question paper each time we conduct exam. All you have to do is to type questions in given order. I have also provided a clear explanation in my personal website, which you can follow and prepare one for your purpose. Thanks to Microsoft Excel, I have used just 4 simple formula. They are Countif, rand, rank, and Vlookup. Section 1 contains all questions that need to have answer in more than 5 sentences. Questions like essay answers, differentiate between the following, and other such questions. Section 2 contains short answers, where the answer may have 1 or 2 lines as response. Questions like, define the following, name the following, give 2 examples for the following, and other such similar questions. Section 3 may contain, fill in the blanks, objective type answers, choose the correct answer, match the following, and other such one-word answers. The output screen displays the actual, or the consolidated output from the previous sections, 1, 2, and 3. The screens, 1, 2, and 3, and the output screen, are linked with formula. The first among them is the rand function, R-A-N-D. This function is used to generate numbers between 0 and 1. This is to be done for all the selected cells in a particular column. The next is the rank.eq function, R-A-N-K.eq. This function is dependent on the previous rand function. This function compares the value in the current cell with the other cells in the current selection, and ranks the current value. Hence, this function generates unique values. The next function is the Countif function. This is used to check if the rank function has generated unique values or not. Ideally, this function is not required, but to confirm to ourselves, the answer from this function should always be 1. The last function is the Vlookup function. This function is dependent on rank function, which helped us to get unique numbers for each row in the selection. Now the job of Vlookup function is to take the number from rank function, search the question list for that particular number, pick up the corresponding question, and place in the current cell. From this screen, we see that 8, which is generated by rank.eq function, is picked up by Vlookup function, searched in the question list for 8, and got the corresponding question, to placed it in the current cell. The same procedure is followed for the rest of the sections 2 and 3, to get random questions respectively. Thank you for your time. Guess this is useful to you in some way. God bless you.